In the today's video, we will see how to get auto serial numbers when we apply filters. So as you can see, we have state-wise monthly sale report here. So if I am selecting a state, let's say I am selecting Maharashtra states here and click on OK. So you can see serial numbers are not coming, are in serial. Like that, here you can see 1, 5, 14, 16, like that serial numbers are coming. But we need a auto serial numbers. So to apply that, here we have to use one formula. So formula is, let me delete first these serial numbers. I am clicking on first cell. Here take equal to sign and search here subtotal. After that, here we have multiple options like average, count, count A, max, min. So here we need to use count A. So his number is third. So I am pressing 3, take comma. So we want to filter as per the states. So second reference value we need to choose as a state. After that take colon and same F7 only, bracket complete and press enter. So as you can see, we have get here serial number 1. So if I am dragging it, so you can see it's not working here, as we are getting only one serial number everywhere. So to avoid that, again double click on that formula and here before this F7 press F4. So here we will get dollar sign, so it will be become absolute. Now press enter and if we now drag it till down, so you can see friends, here we are getting the serial numbers are in series. Now we'll filter it. As I am taking first Maharashtra state, click on OK. Now you can see serial numbers are coming in the auto serialize way. So again, I'm clearing the filter and choosing one another state as a Gujarat. You can see friends, serial numbers are coming in autofill. So hope this video is helpful to you. If yes, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.